Welcome everyone! Today, we are going to talk about an exciting and modern flooring material at Terrazzo Floor Restoration. Terrazzo is a unique and elegant material that has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its versatility and eye-catching appearance. But like any material, Terrazzo requires regular maintenance and restoration to maintain its original shine and luster. If you are looking for the best Terrazzo restoration services in the area, you have come to the right place. Our company is dedicated to providing top-notch service and the most comprehensive solution for your floor. With over 35 years of experience and a team of highly skilled professionals, we have the expertise to handle any Terrazzo restoration project with precision and care. When you need professional support, trust A1 Terrazzo Restoration. Our team of experts is equipped with the most advanced machinery and technology to achieve the highest quality results. We take the time to understand your specific needs and requirements, ensuring that your Terrazzo floor is restored to its original beauty and longevity. There are tons of companies offering Terrazzo restoration services, but when you need the best, you need to choose Terrazzo Restoration. We are confident in our ability to deliver the most exceptional results, and we are committed to ensuring that your Terrazzo floor remains in excellent condition for years to come. So, if you are in need of Terrazzo restoration services, do not hesitate to call us today. We would be happy to provide you with a free sample and answer any questions you may have. With A1 Terrazzo Restoration, you can trust that your floor is in the best hands. We look forward to serving you and achieving the perfect Terrazzo restoration for your home or business.